Well, looks like we got a package in today. It's going to be a unbox and compare. Let's see what we got. Help me with it. Oh, it's upside down again. Oh well. Oh, looks pretty cool. So it's a ready to run 1/16 scale, 2.4 gigahertz controller, shocks. Doesn't say oil filled. Gotta watch for that. Full function steering 4x4. These are the other models that they come in. We got the red one. It's what's the model on this? JT-16201. A little carrying handle. Yeah, see, that looks just like the HBX. We'll see. All right. Right here is your HBX 1/12 scale. Now this is probably more like your 1/16 scale HBX, my guess, or like your EC30s chassis. Oh, that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. I dig it. I dig it. Looks like you got to put a few things on. The wing's not on there. Yeah, they're friction checks. They're spongy. Comes with a nice little controller. It's got speed and steering trim. Reverse and forward. Yeah, that's cool. Looks like a button and a throttle. Oh yeah, cool. A throttle setting so you can change your speed. It's cool. Nice little light controller. Looks like an Armor. See, it's got a cool little wing. We'll put all this stuff on before we take her for a rip. Looks like, yeah, it looks like an HBX clone. What else we got in there, Lord? Looks like we got extra clips and shock mounts, or shock spacers. Looks like they have a buggy form.
Only comes with one battery.
Yeah, one battery. That's okay. It's got a battery charger with it. These look like the standard lithium ion. Yeah, 1300 milliamp. Pretty cool. It's a 5-pin servo, so if you wanted to upgrade, you had to do that. And of course, don't forget, it's hot, so it's got lights, it looks like. It's pretty cool. It's almost identical. It's got a metal center bar, which is nice. We'll definitely take this to the park. Wheels are, there's no foam in it or nothing. I can't expect too much. This thing was like 50, 60 bucks. I'll have to look exactly what it was, but it's a nice low cost. Tension for this is for the younger kids when we're playing with the bigger guys, you know. So that's a side-by-side. You can see size difference. They're a little different, but that's a 1/12 HBX. This is a 1/16. All right, I'll get all these parts put on. The swing bar, oh, it looks like it's got a front and rear bumper right now. we're not going 3S or brushless upgrade yet, so I'll probably hold off on that for now. But we'll get this wing put on and get the battery charged, and we'll see what we got. Oh, obviously you're gonna need a couple batteries. I didn't look how many you need. 3 batteries, 3 AA's. It's a pretty cool little kit. I'll be back in a minute. So I brought down the EC 30B to compare side by side on these. One thing is the battery mount is similar to the PX Toys style that goes in, so you're going to be limited on what you can use for batteries, but most of these small guys use the same kind of size, all these HBXs and stuff. So you can see they're pretty much identical in size and shape. It is a different plastic. I'm not sure, it's a little stiffer, doesn't have quite as much flex, or I guess you say. This is a brushed. I have or the brushless, but brushed, it's the same thing. Now this does have more like your EC30, the standard dog bones, but I don't mind the plastic. They're actually quite durable. I don't have very many problems with them at all. Yeah, but you see there is a slight difference in the tops, but it's definitely a knockoff. It's got a narrower cage. It's actually it's more similar to the shape is more similar to your Piranha, just smaller, but it should be fun. Just trying to see what that says. Looks like your on-off is there. It's not on the side, so it's definitely lower quality, but it was $53 plus shipping, so $58 shipped. It only took about a week, so it's still in the same price scale. It's a little cheaper than the EC30 right now. So I don't know. Battery's just about done charging. We'll get it out there and see how it does. It says it's going to be 50 kilometers an hour, but I doubt it. You know, at least on the lithium ion. It might be a 3S. I haven't read the instructions manual yet to see what their claim is, but anyways, I'll be back when we get her ripping. All right, hold it. So it's first time battery's freshly charged. Oh cool, the lights are on already. Ooh, kind of turned slow. Not sure what I expected though.
It's about the same as ours.
That's on high for the. Ooh, that's kind of fast. This is low. It has a definitely a slow servo. All right, let's get her outside.
Yeah, I don't even know why you're driving it.
Yeah, I know. This thing might actually be pretty good. It's cheaper than our EC30s. But the shocks are friction shocks. This is a 390 brushed. I think there is a brushless version for like $80 or $90, similar to the way the EC30 works. But it looks like a little armor. I'm not sure. Oh, that's because of the battery. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's take her outside. I feel like you get my shoes. You should hurt. You're supposed to be driving. I'm supposed to be fun.
I know, you're handing me the camera though.
Wow, it's nice.
It is.
This thing might be a really good zipper. This is on low. It steers like the Piranha. Oh, all right, here, you drive. Oh, it does wheelies. Oh.
I dig it. I totally dig it. You're gonna like this, Lauren. It's as fun as the HBX. Whoa, that was cool. Yeah, I definitely recommend right off the bat. That would be one of the first upgrades I do. But unfortunately for this, unless they have an upgraded one already, you're kind of stuck with upgrading a few things. Man, that thing flies. We got to make a backflip wall. You know what I mean? Did you lose it? Oh. That's on high, right? Holy crap, that thing flies. Yeah, I know. That's crazy. These smaller ones are almost better sized for our track anyways. You know? Yeah, the steering is all... Yeah. But they are different swing arms than the E-Machines and the HBX. Yeah. But it does use the same concepts. Double. Yeah. Yep. We get oil-filled shocks. Oil-filled shocks. I like the lights too. Ooh, you could do flips. I think if we make a jump ramp, this one will be awesome at the skate park. Wheel stuck. Yeah, turning sucks on it though. Ooh, nice flip. Yeah. Hold on, body clip. How'd you lose both of them already? All right, that's gonna be a problem. That's gonna be a problem. Yeah, looks like it. Gravity and all. I put one in the front and one in the back. That's probably why they gave you like 6 or 8 extra clips, or 6 to 9. I dig it, Lauren. I like these better than the bigger ones. Yeah, I agree. 110 is for, not even for really this place, man. Wait till Damon tries this one out. Like I said, metal in the right places. And this is brushed. This is a brush 390. You know, it might do that 50 kilometers an hour, man. It might. We'll have to speed run it later.
I think the thing popped off.
What? The body? Yeah, it did. Well, keep ripping it out. Whoa. Yeah, we need wheelie bar. All right. All right. We're done for a minute. That's a cool little car, though, man. Can I get the clips back? There we go. Nice little. Hit the gas. Awesome.